All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So thought, though, and tough. Yeah, thought, though, and tough. So, thought. The past tends to think of something. Yeah, so let's think. I thought so. Yeah. He thought carefully. I thought that was the answer. Yeah. She thought it was here. So she thought it was here. Well, I thought she had it. But I thought she had it. Yeah. They thought I'd be there. Yeah, they thought wrong. They thought wrong. Yeah. Though, when you're not sure about something. I went there, though he said not to. Yeah. I wrote it, even though they said it could not be done. Yeah. How cool is that? We travelled there, though the signs says otherwise. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So, I know what to do, though they do not. So I know what to do, though they do not. How cool is that? And tough. Tough, when something is strong and difficult to take down or destroy. These fighters are tough. The armour is tough. Yes, let's try and get a picture. Tough. Strong, perhaps? Here we are. Strong, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Do you think they are tough, dressed like that? Yeah. Maybe. Well, maybe they are tough, but we shall see how strong and tough they are. They are in the championship. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So tough. Yeah. I am so tough. I am so tough. I can lift 100 kilograms. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use thought, though, and tough in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.